As the old story says, a bad day of fishing is better than any good day at work. Let's see how the fishing's going. A friend of ours, let's come out fish his pond. He does farming for fish. He sells at the local market, but this pond here's got bigger fish he can't sell. And usually we fish this one over here. But that's the one he's taken. That's like the farm fish. So over here, we're gonna try for some bigger ones here. See how it goes here. They said it might take a few more minutes extra, but let's check it out here, guys. Got the lovely Linda harvesting some bushes here for food. Original Riverside. What do you got here?
Goon and Snails and Troy Samai Prey. Cambodian Riverside.
Delicious.
I go to find hope there.
She just likes walking in the country. She's right at home here. So quiet out here. See how the fishing's going. This pond doesn't have a lot of fishing pressure, so it should be fairly easy to snag one out of here. We'll see. It's midday, actually about afternoon, almost 4 p.m. Pretty freaking hot, like 90 degrees. It's very humid, so we'll see what comes out of this. Sometimes the fish just don't want to budge when it's hot, but there should be some good catfish out here. Got himself a great sized catfish there.
Look at the Mahoney.
I will fall in.
Wow.
Oh yeah, a little catfish.
Nice.
You think wow.
Don't let him get back in. We got ourselves dinner. Oh yeah, nice.
Woo, really big.
Good size, yeah. I'm surprised you caught him on a cane rod, guys. Look at the size of this.
Mate.
Cane rod.
Jet rụi bắt that hong xương.
You swallow?
Bạn slow stick này.
Trong bát đòn như thế.
Need some.
Today, lucky for me, cook the food.
Yeah.
Cao của tôi. Ở cái làng train bàn này, cái làng
Cái nãy là bạn đón mày nè. Cái đặt đòn mua chứ ở đây.
Đòi tam việc sân tới tập đi tiền mất bạn. Tiền mất, tiền tụi nó. Đó vừa mà.
See they will look from home tomorrow.
Right there in the snout.
And nó có.
Well, he wants to walk.
Mà anh xịt mũi đây mà nó thuê đó hả ông nè mà.
Oh. Good size.
Bát. Ôi.
Sao phá đó nó zoom ấy. Nhưng mà thằng xinh đã.
On a cane rod, guys. That's how they do it over here. No, just homemade fishing pole.
Mình đã chụp những chân hiên lợi phim á, mình đang trai này. Hạt đòn riêng không thì cháu hiên lợi.
Cane rod, guys. Isn't that cool? Who knew? And the dog's here, of course. There he is. The dog that likes to travel on motos. Got the whole group out here. Everybody's just doing some fishing. I got one fish so far. We got some movement. Take it.
One more.
Oh, you got him. Baby fish. You got a baby fish. You got the baby fish. What kind is that? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see, brother. Let's see. Hold it up. This is what it is. It's babies.
Baby.
Right out there along the edge line of the weeds. You can see it right out there in the middle of the screen, the bobber. They're just using baby shrimp and bamboo. Cambodian catfish, guys, are a pretty common fish for people to eat out here, and you can find it at the local markets as well as the street vendors. So yeah, this is what we usually catch here is catfish. I don't know, there's probably other fish, but for what we usually fish in the local little areas here, this is a quite popular area here. Even got a snail. Oh, he just fell off. I like how you guys can see it. It's a little berry floating in the middle of the screen there. Anything can be used for a bobber out here in Cambodia. I got 4 pulls out, guys. Somebody's bound to get something. There's a 1 in 4 chance somebody's going to get something here. Fishing in Cambodia, all you really need is some fishing string. Bamboo's prevalent. Put a hook on there and you're good to go. Get some some shrimp, and you got yourself a good day of fishing right there. No fancy tackle boxes over here, guys. We just gonna do natural style here. Got ourselves a cane fish here, guys. Don't let them get too far out. You're gonna break that cane. Get them away from the weeds. He's a big one.
Cho không tắc là mua chân khao ở trong này nè. Ôn nó cho mình đùng mình xoắn. Cho nó tan đây đây.
Can we get him in closer?
Xa này. Còn anh phong cái đất khao ấy nè. Nu bị miên sẽ đập. Mình bơm hàng. Vô không?
He's fighting. He's fighting. Oh, he's a good one. Yeah, he's good. You gotta get it in there. Get it in there. Oh, don't lose him. Don't lose him. Get underneath. Oh, there it is. Another catfish. There you go, scoop. Ah. Got him, guys. Nice. Good day right here. There you go, Linda. More dinner. She'll be cooking some goodies tonight. Another catfish. Yeah, good one, guys. Did he swallow? Looks like he might have swallowed the hook. Put him up, guys. Oh, he's a good size. Yeah, nice.
Wow.
Cambodian catfish right there, guys. Got themselves some bamboo. And Linda's gonna be cooking up all kinds of food tonight. That's 3 fish, 2 large cats, and somebody's gonna get hooked here. Get yourself some bamboo. Happy. Okay, let's go check it out. She's gonna show some big bamboo they got here. Dog's hanging out with us today. He caught a ride on the moto. He's like, I want to go too, guys. Would not get off, so yeah. What do we got here? Oh yeah, that's a dead one. Oh yeah, that's the lizard that we see every night in our room, but he's larger and dead. Yeah. Let's go see how the boys are doing here, if they've caught anything. Hey girl, how you doing? Oh, breaking the bamboo. I was like, what is that noise? Let's see over here what they got. They're getting bites, but I think it's a small fish waiting for those big cats. Come on in and snag it. Can't believe we're catching those large fish on tiny little bamboo poles. Getting a few tugs on that bobber. Right there at the center of the screen. She's gonna be doing some cooking tonight. Oh yeah, she's happy lady right there.
Good for me for tomorrow. Tonight, maybe late.
They keep getting little tire kickers coming around and tapping the shrimp but they're just too small for the mouth, too big for the mouth, so they just little tire kickers. Not really gonna do anything with it. But they keep stealing. Oh, you had something. He was trying to bite, but it's too big for his mouth. And in the weeds over here, it seems to be a lot of bites for him. Another beautiful day out here in Cambodia. Great day, doing some fishing here. Weather's perfect. Oh man, they stole it. You got robbed. This is a traditional Khmer home here, guys. Live in the countryside. The people that live outside of town. This is where they do all the cooking. This is our friend's house who let us fish in his pond here. That's where he does all the cooking. And I think for them, they got a main house. This is just more of the getaway house, you know, like for relax, because I think they've upgraded in life. And they just come out here to relax during the day. But yeah. Hello, Bong. Let's go back over here and check the boys out and see how they're doing, if they've caught anything or what they've done here. Let's see. It's an old farm. They don't really farm much here anymore. Mostly it was cows, fish. But now it's just kind of, like I said, a getaway for the family. And this is the pond that they stock the fish that they take to market. And then they look for a certain size to take. Anything? Looks like we got a line out there and a line over here. You guys can see there's water snails here. Common thing to eat in Cambodia. Just catch them out of the water. They're everywhere. Right along the road. Black ants out here. They're tiny. I mean tiny. They pack a little punch. They bite in. They don't let go. They just keep stinging and stinging. You don't realize until after. You're like, ah, man. Little guys pack a little punch. It's not like a bee sting, but you definitely feel it. Yeah, but the red ants, they don't seem to bother, but they're big. They look mean, but for whatever case is, they don't seem to bite you. But yeah, these little black ants, I've been bit like 4 times out here right now fishing. Oh. You looking to catch some snakes? This is like anaconda shit right here. But I was gonna catch a water snake or something. Maybe a python. What are you thinking there? King cobra. Something delicious. What a dog does, guys. Yeah, dog travels on moto. What a good pups. Wherever we go, he goes. He likes to hang out. We'll see you guys back in the room there. We got some nice catfish. Scooter dog. Group here, guys, today. This is the fishing group. Look at this, everybody. Everybody say hello, yeah. Hello. This is the gang right here, guys. Hello. And we got little Lindo over there. Yeah, we had 2 dogs. 2 dogs helping out. Oh, there's a big one there and a small one. I don't know if you see them, but yeah. There's the end result of the catfish, guys. Look at that. Beautiful big chunk of meat right there. Yeah. Big catfish. Good day of fishing. The rest of the fillet is going to get fried up here. This is the other thing we make for the catfish here. But a hook. It is like a, I can't explain it. But yeah, that's the spicy, the peppers. But a hook. That's all fish ground up in there with spices, herbs, and peppers. Okay, what do we got here? Making brahok.
Yeah, with a sugar, sauce, and fish, and brahok, and a fish here.
And the fish goes inside, gets grind up. And this is what, this is like the flat patty, right? With the, like the fish fillet. Like it comes out flat.
Yeah.
And you fry everything up flat.
Number one.
The hook. Lots of work. Guys, there you have it. Another great day in Cambodia. 2 big catfish and, well, a tiny little one that ended up flopping back in the pond. So, and it's a bamboo. It's a good day here, guys. And we appreciate you guys. We love you guys. And if you haven't subscribed yet, we'd appreciate it. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.